Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indian Gaurav. Good morning to all of you. If you want to become fluent in English, you have to follow me. If you will follow me, you will become fluent in English within 15 days. For that, what have you to do? First, you have to learn English grammar properly. You have to learn all English grammar from basic to advanced. Whatever include in English grammar, you have to learn all things. First we will learn that sentence, parts of sentence, types of sentence, then noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection, whatever include in it, all things you have to learn. Means you have to learn in detail all these parts of speech from noun to interjection. If you will learn all these things properly, that which are the nouns, pronouns, then parts of pronouns, which are that, then adverbs, verbs, you have to learn all these things in detail. After that, if you will become master in English grammar, after that you have to construct sentences in your mind. You try to construct it. If you will construct these sentences properly in your mind, after that you try to speak in English, then you will become fluent in English. It will take lots of time, but within 15 days, if you will do this thing properly, you will become fluent in English within 15 days. But for that you have to do these things properly and regularly. If you will follow these things properly, whatever I told to you, whatever I suggest to you, then you will become fluent within 15 days. Okay, and after that your English will become more fluent, and your accent, your pronunciation will also improve. So you have to follow these things. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Vande Mataram.